Hello everyone, welcome to the Code as Bytes channel. I'm going to start the Rust programming tutorial. This is the first video in this tutorial. We would like to start from setting up the Rust environment till the basic Rust programming. In this, the course contents are, as I said, we'll first start with Rust and what are the language essentials like data types and other things, and ownership and borrowing, structures and its traits. So let's start with Rust. In this we will set the Rust environment and we will write hello world program in the Rust, and then there is a framework called Cargo that we use it in the Rest. How to set up the Cargo framework and how it will be helpful in compiling the programs, how the framework will be, that we will see. As I said, setting up the Rust environment, like we'll see what is Rust, installing it and verify whether the installation is proper or not. So what is Rust? Rust is flexible and fast programming language, combines power, speed, and with less amount of energy we can execute it and a quick time. We can use Rust to create like many kinds of application, like low level, either high level, and even in the operating system. It's already been using in the Linux operating system, and also some kind of products. For example, as I mentioned here, Firefox is also written in the Rust. As we can see the data here, the normalized global results for all the programming languages in terms of energy, time, and memory. As we can see here, in terms of energy, Rust is the second best language. In terms of time also, as well. And if you see in terms of memory consumption, it is one of the top 10 programming languages. So after seeing the data, Rust is going to adapt in many applications and operating system. For installation, if you wanted to install this on Linux or either in a Mac, you can run this command, and which will install the latest stable version of the Rust. For example, in case you are in a Windows platform, you can go to this particular URL. So when you go here, when you come to this particular official page of the Rust language, you will see what tools to install for running the Rust. So if you are in a Linux platform or else it's a Mac OS, you can run this particular command as I told earlier. Otherwise, if you are in a Windows platform, you can select one of them. You can download one of the application, either 32-bit or 64-bit, based on your system. So now once you download it, we can install it. You can just double click on this particular exe. It will open the command prompt. There it will ask you to first install the C++ build tools from the Visual Studio. So once you complete that, then it will take you to the installation part of the Rust. Since I have already installed in my laptop, it is saying that install with default. If I select one, it will say that Rust is already installed. So now you can see Rust is installed. If I enter it, it will close this window. Rust is already installed in my laptop. Now let's check whether the installation is proper or not. This we can check it by simply running the command by checking its version. So just run rust c -version and you can see this. So that means Rust is installed successfully. There is another thing called Rust Playground. Using this is like a web-based interface to run any Rust related program. So if you go to this particular website, you will see this kind of interface. Let's go there and check it. So now if you click on the run, here you see that, hey, hello YouTube, because just we are doing the same thing. If you give everyone, if you give just, so in the next video we will discuss how to write and execute the Rust programming language by using the Rust compiler, and we will further continue whatever we have discussed, the course contents. Thank you for watching.